Hello friends, and welcome to our walk along with Miss Laine. I'm from the Columbus Public Library, and we're going to talk about plants and how plants grow, and we're going to measure some that I have planted just a few months ago. So this is the beginning of spring, and that means plants are blooming and growing just like you are blooming and growing. So we're going to measure, and that means we're going to take note of how tall or big our plants are getting. So I have this, and this is a measuring tape, and it has it in inches. You can think of an inch as about as big as your thumb maybe, and it does this. And you can measure anything. You can measure how long your face is or how tall you are, but we're going to measure how big our plants are growing as summer goes along. So we're going to start, and we're going to measure how tall they are today, and then next time we check back we're going to see if they grew any. So we have 3 plants, and they all started from seeds. My first plant is an apple tree, just like the apples you eat at the grocery store. And what's in an apple that you plant? A seed. Yeah, a seed. So if you cut open an apple, or if you eat an apple, you can find seeds in there. And I planted one, and this is him right now. So he's about 3 months old, and he's very tiny. And all trees start very small because they come from seeds, which are very small. So he's very little, and we're going to see if he grows. And let's talk about how plants grow. What do they need to grow? The sun? Some water? Yes, absolutely, just like you. They need food, and they need fresh air and sunshine to grow. So we have given him plenty of fresh air. He was inside for a very long time because he was very small, and we needed to protect him or keep him very safe. So we're going to measure him. We're going to start by measuring from the soil base all the way to the top of the plant, and he's about 4 inches tall. That's this tall, that's this long. He's about as long as my finger. So that's where he's starting from. And one day he's going to grow very big. He's going to be a very big tree, and he might even give us some apples of his own. That's going to be so exciting. So we're going to root for him, and we're going to hope he grows big and strong all summer. Our next plant is in here. And what do these look like? What do you think they are? It's okay if you guess wrong. They're peppers. Does anyone like peppers? I don't particularly like peppers, but we're going to see how big they are. They started as little tiny itty bitty seeds. They were smaller than our apple seed tree. Little tiny ones. So we're going to measure how tall he is. Adjust the camera a little bit. Right here. Alright, and we've got about 2 inches. He's about 2 inches tall. That's this tall. He's about as big as my thumb, like a big thumbs up. That's pretty tall. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pepper plants. So only 6 seeds grew into plants, and that's really awesome. We're gonna hope that by the end of the summer, we're gonna have peppers to pick and to eat. So that's gonna be really fun. Our next plant is, what does that look like? What is this? You see it? It's a strawberry plant, and we are really excited to grow this one. This one is actually from last summer, so he came back. He stayed with us all year long, and he's back to making strawberries again. So right now our strawberries are green. Are strawberries green? Mostly they're red. When they are ready to eat, they are red. They are bright red. And these are the leaves of a strawberry plant. And they're really big. Why do you think they're so big? They need to catch a lot of sunlight. So if you stand like this, you get a lot of sunlight. If you stand like this, you might not get as much, and they need a lot of sun to grow. So we're gonna measure how big he is. Right here. And we're gonna start from the base, and we're gonna stick it in the dirt and go all the way up to the very biggest leaf. And we've got about 7 inches. That is a really big plant. We have 7 inches. That's about almost as long as my arm right here. That's a really big plant. What we're gonna hope for him is that he grows wider. He doesn't really need to grow taller. He needs to grow wider. And we're gonna hope that he gets more strawberries. So we'll see what happens. This is our first week measuring our plants. If you want to measure your own plants, you can. All you need is a plant to measure. It can be one that's already in your yard or your apartment or in the grass near where you live. Or you can ask your grown-up to get a seed from an apple or the store. And if you can't, or if your grown-ups don't have time to get an apple, that's okay, because we'll be measuring them from my own little garden, and you are welcome to walk along with me. We'll see you next time, and we're gonna hope that these plants grow.
We are springing into summer learning at the Chattahoochee Valley Libraries, and the program you just attended is one of the ways you can earn completions. Just go to cvlga.org and look for Spring into Summer Learning. You can register yourself and your family online, and then start reading and attending our online events. That's all you have to do. We're giving away weekly gift certificates, and every completion you make enters you into a grand prize drawing for tablets, games, gifts, and more. Remember, you have to register to win, cvlga.org, and we'll see you online again real soon.